Morning, guys. We're out here in the shop today. We're going to be removing an airbag from one of our frame trainers. This is Hollywood, so you know, be what it be. Most of the stuff's been taken apart a bunch of times before, but this gives you the gist of things, and I'll do a little brief explanation of the airbag and parts and pieces of it, and hopefully y'all learn something. As you can see, our airbag is bolted in with 2 bolts right here. There's an air line that goes into the top of it and a bolt underneath. To remove it, we'll back them bolts out and disconnect the air line. As you can see, we've got our airbag getting ready to pull out of here. We've got our frame jacked up to where there's room above it to pull it out. We've removed our mounting hardware from inside, disconnected our air line. We've also took the bolt off of the bottom, so we're ready to pull it out of there. There's our lower mounting hole for our airbag, and down in there, there's our other mounting holes. Alrighty, we've already got our airbag out of the truck here. As you can see, our 2 mounting holes right here, they run the same way as the frame does. Got our airline fitting right there. So you can see this airbag here has seen better days. Come on, flip it over. This bottom side, that's your mounting stud that goes through the bottom side and holds the airbag in. As you can see right here around the bottom side here, it's got a delamination of the rubber. Pull that out of there. Take a look down inside of it. I'm sure if we were to air this thing up right now and spray soapy water on it, we'd see air seeping out of all of this right here where it's folded over. You can see we put our airbag back in. Only thing left to do now is hook up the airline to it, and we'll be ready to go again. Well, thank y'all for watching. I hope this showed you something. Pretty simple procedure to replace an airbag on a truck. Hope you all have a good one. See ya.